Tesla driver from 2018 crash was had autopilot on. U.S. agency US government investigative agency NTSB's preliminary report on the 2018 crash involving the 2014 Tesla Model S and a fire truck claimed that the car was in autopilot mode. Autopilot was engaged continuously for the final 13 minutes 48 seconds before the collision. NTSB said, "I was having a coffee and a bagel," the car's driver also told the NTSB. Video shows Tesla driver asleep in moving car. Tesla calls it a prank. A video posted by a U.S. man shows the driver of a Tesla car sleeping as the car speeds along a highway. Responding to the video, a Tesla spokesperson said, "Many of these videos appear to be dangerous pranks or hoaxes. Our driver monitoring system repeatedly reminds drivers to remain engaged and prohibits the use of autopilot when warnings are ignored." Ola Uber may not be big factor in auto sector slowdown. Maruti Suzuki Executive Director, Marketing and Sales, Shashank Srivastava has said Ola and Uber may not be a big factor in the current slowdown. He said that people in India still purchase cars with an aspirational aspect. People may use Ola and Uber to go to offices, but still they buy a vehicle for the weekend outings with the family, he said. He said, money laundering case against Rolls-Royce by Enforcement Directorate. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has registered a money laundering case against London-based engine maker Rolls-Royce plc and its subsidiary Rolls-Royce India Private Limited. A report quoting two officials said the case pertains to dubious payments in the form of commissions in return for contracts from three state-run Indian companies. Maruti Tata Motors urged parts suppliers to target zero defects. Maruti Suzuki and Tata Motors have urged auto component manufacturers to build capabilities by investing in research and development, R&D, and ensure zero-defect products. Quality deserves much greater attention from the top management at the suppliers, Maruti Suzuki CEO Kenichi Ayukawa said. Tata Motors CEO Genta Butchek asked suppliers to take the ongoing crisis as a fitness project.